Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your resolution in the game Shatterline. This is for if your game's resolution is displaying incorrectly, like it's zoomed in or stretched, and you can't really play the game because of that. Open the run command window by pressing Windows plus R. We're going into the bottom left, right click and then press run. Then you're going to want to type in %localappdata%, click OK, and scroll down until you find the folder labelled Shatterline. Open the folder inside Shatterline, open this folder as well. Then right click game_settings.savedata and open with notepad. A notepad will open for settings for the game. Scroll down until you find resolution, height and width, and you can simply change this number to your computer's resolution. If you have a less common resolution like a widescreen monitor or an ultrawidescreen monitor, you can try changing the resolution to a more commonly used one like 1920 by 1080, like what I'm currently using here. Once you've changed your resolution, you're going to want to save the file by pressing Ctrl S or going to File and Save. Then when you start up the game, your resolution issues should be resolved. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it would really help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.